Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Craft Collection Ideas. Today we are going to explore some beautiful and easy rustic home decoration ideas using two simple materials, natural wood and jute. If you love warm, cozy, natural and aesthetic decoration, these ideas are perfect for you. Rustic decor has a special charm because it brings the beauty of nature into our homes. The nature texture of wood combined with the simple look of jute can create a beautiful handmade appearance without making the space look too complicated. And the best part is that you don't need expensive material to create this decoration. With a little creativity, some wooden pieces, jute rope, and a few simple decoration items, you can create something that looks elegant and unique. So you can use a small wooden board, wooden slice, branches, stick or leftover pieces of wood for these projects. The wood doesn't have to look perfect. In fact, small natural marks, different texture and uneven edge can make the decoration look even more beautiful. That is one of the best thing about rustic style decor. These wouldn't become part of the design before starting your project. Make sure the wood is clean and dry. If the surface is very rough, you can gently sand it to make it smoother and safer to handle. You can keep the natural wooden color, or if you prefer, you can add a light coat of paint or sand. Soft shades such as white, beige, brown, or natural wood tones work beautifully with rustic decor. And jute rope is one of the easiest material to use in handmade home decoration. Its natural texture work perfectly with wood and gives the finished piece a warm, earthy appearance. You can use jute to tie wooden pieces together, create hanging loop, make creative balls, or simply add small detail to your designs. One simple idea is to create a rustic wooden wall hanging. Take a small pieces of wood and attach a piece of jute rope to the top. Is immediately turn the wooden piece into a simple wall decoration. But we can make it even more interesting. Add a small dried flower, a little greenery, a twig, or a pine cone to the center. You can also create a small jute bow and attach it into the decoration. Try to keep the design simple. Rustic decoration usually look better when there is enough empty space and the natural materials remain the main focus. Another beautiful idea is to combine several small pieces of wood, arrange them in a circle, heart shape, star shape, or an design you look like. Then use jute rope to hold the piece together. You can create a small loop at the top so that finished decoration can easily be hung on the wall. This kind of handmade piece can look beautiful in a living room, bedroom, hallway, entrance area, or even a cozy corner near a window. You can also create a small rustic sign using a wooden board. For example, you can add a simple word, short message, or decorative symbol. The natural wooden background combined with jute rope can create a very charming farmhouse inspired look. If you don't want to paint the wood, that's completely fine. Sometimes the natural green of the wood is enough to make the decoration look beautiful. Now let's add some more natural elements. Dried flower leaves, small branches, pine cone and artificial greenery can all work very well with wood and jute. You don't need to use all of them at once. Choose just a few elements and arrange them carefully for a more elegant look. Try using natural color. Natural brown, beige, cream, white, and soft green can create a calm and very unique appearance. If you prefer a cozy farmhouse style, you can add more wooden detail and textured roof. And if you want a seasonal or holiday inspired decoration, you can add small stars, giving the pine cones bells, or simple festival ornaments. So guys, you can also experiment with different shapes and size. A combination of large and small piece can make the arrangement look more interesting. And don't worry if everything isn't perfect. The natural slightly impact appearance is what gives rustic decor is personally one of the best thing about this decoration is that you can customize everything according to your own style. If you like minimal decoration, keep the simple design. Use one wooden piece, a small amount of jute, and one natural decorative elements. If you prefer a more detailed look, you can add flower, greenery, pine cone, ribbon, and other small decoration. You can also reuse material that you already have at home. Old wooden piece, leftover jute rope, unused still decoration, and dried branches can be all transformed into something new. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves DIY craft and home decoration. For more creative ideas, rustic decor inspiration, handmade craft, and easy DIY projects, stay connected with me with my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, keep decorating, and most importantly, enjoy the process. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.